The educational toy company could very well shake up President Trump's trade policies when next Wednesday the Supreme Court hears oral arguments in its case.
We decided to bring a lawsuit because, we were facing sudden death.
In 1 week, attorneys for a Vernon Hills-based family-owned business will make the most consequential argument of the company's history.
Our products are manufactured all over the world.
Alana Ruffman is the VP of Marketing for Hand to Mind. The company also owns Learning Resources. Both are educational toy brands.
In April, when the reciprocal tariff policies launched, and in particular when the rates on China went to 145%, it became an effective ban on our products that were coming in from overseas because they would become so expensive that nobody could afford them.
Since April, the business has been locked in a legal battle over President Trump's tariffs, arguing that he doesn't have the constitutional or statutory authority to impose them. In the spring, a lower court sided with the business, but Trump appealed that decision. Ruffman says this is about protecting what they've built and who they employ, as ever-changing tariffs have cost the company millions, forcing them to rapidly alter where and how they manufacture products.
Every time you move a product, it costs money. So we estimate that it costs about $5,000 every time we move a product. In 2024, we paid about $2 million in tariff. In 2025, we project that we will pay $14 million in tariffs.
The toy company's lawsuit has been combined with 2 others. The U.S. Supreme Court only hears several dozen cases a year.
This is a hugely important case.
UIC professor of law Stephen Schwinn says pages and pages of briefs have already been filed. The last stop, SCOTUS will hear oral arguments from both sides.
I do expect that the justices are going to ask a lot of questions of both sides, and I expect that the oral arguments will go on for quite some time, probably well over an hour.
And if SCOTUS agrees that the tariffs are unlawful, Schwinn says predicting exactly how the court will remedy the situation could be tricky.
The Supreme Court could order some back pay on the part of the government to some of these companies, maybe all of the companies who have been affected by tariffs, if the court rules that the tariffs are unlawful. That seems like a perfectly reasonable remedy in an ordinary case, but this is an extraordinary case.
There will be some time before SCOTUS issues its opinion on this case. That could take weeks or even months. Reporting in Vernon Hills, Casey Cronus, Fox 32, Chicago.